Welcome to our Everlast tech support channel. Today we'll be helping you remove and replace the top board in your DV TIG welder. Please take multiple photos of the connectors on the control board to have a reference for confirming all the connections before testing the unit. To remove a ribbon cable connection, you'll need to open the tabs on each side of the connector. It's best to lightly push down into the side of each tab. To disconnect these 2.5mm multi-conductor connectors, it's best to use a small screwdriver to break the seal on the red paste and lightly wedge your screwdriver in between the connector housing and the base. To remove these 3.5mm connectors, you'll need to break the red paste behind the tab and at the front of the connector. Then pressing down at the top of the tab, pull up on the connector to remove it from the board. Now that we know how to remove the different types of connections, we can just work our way around the top control board, unplugging all of the connectors. Try to avoid pulling the connector out by just the wires. If you pull too hard on the wires, you can actually pull the pin connector out of the housing. You can use your screwdriver to pry up on the edge of the connector to help remove them from the board. Once you have everything disconnected, we can remove the 4 screws mounting this control board to the top tray. Then we'll need to remove the Phillips screw mounting the ground wire to the tray. Now we can begin to reinstall our new control board. We'll start by remounting the ground wire. Then we'll work our way around plugging all of the connections back in. Be sure to refer to the photos that you've taken in the previous steps to ensure your connections are going back in the same spots. Now we can reinstall the 4 Phillips screws mounting the control board back to the top tray. Before powering up the machine, please double check all of your connections are properly pushed in and refer back to your photos to ensure all the connectors are in the correct location. Thank you for working with us today. We hope that this video has helped you to replace the top control board on your DV unit.